Hey sub family, welcome back to another video. So today we got the Sierra Luxury and we're going to review this. Let's go up here upstairs. So these stairs are collapsible and they can come up and down ready for when you're ready to go. And we're going to step up here. Then we're going to go straight into the living room area. And this is where you have love seats basically in all three corners, I guess. They're very comfortable. Then you have the fireplace, the radio. You got storage up here. Then you got the blinds for privacy. And those can come back up just like that. And then you got that big overview of whatever you're going to be staring at. Then you come over here. You got windows right here. You got lighting up here. Then you're going to come down here. You also got a clock, guys. It's really nice. They even put a clock in there. They're not skimping on anything. You got a fire hydrant for any bad situations, I might say. And then you got storage right here. And this is for your lighting and your power inverter and stuff like that. Then you got USB plugs. Then you got outlets. You got more storage down here. You got a fold-up table right here. Then you have the sink, and it got a hose. Works very well. Then you got almost a full-size oven. Then you got a full-size microwave with more storage up here. Then you got a medium-sized bathroom with a nice toilet, which I'm going to flip that up and show you guys. You also got storage up here in the bathroom. You got a decent-sized sink. We're going to go back here in the room now. And when you walk up in this hallway, guys, you're going to see that there's switches right here. This is a climate control switch, and this is just a switch for the lights. Then you got more cabinetry right here for storage, which is really big and nice. And then you got more storage down here. And then we're going to walk over here. This is just the door. You got storage behind the door. You got another climate control for this AC up here. And then you got barn sliding doors. You got barn sliding doors right here with a latch that you can lock it so they won't come open while you're moving in traffic. You got a full-size bed right here. Then you have a full-size bathroom with a nice shower head, and it's movable as well, guys. You can close yourself in. I think they got something going on here. Yeah, it's like it's taped or locked, guys, so I'm not gonna mess with that. Then you got a faucet right here, a his and her sink. Basically, you got some outlets, a big mirror, storage here, and then you got a toilet here. And basically that's what it looks like. You flush it like that. You have your window here, which opens, which I'm not going to mess with that. Then you got your switches for your lights and so forth, and then your fan right here. And then we're going to walk in here. You got ventilation ports on the floor. You got this nice wooden floor right here, this vinyl wooden floor. Then we're going to step down here. You have this half-size kitchen table that you and your family can eat at. It's really nice, and this camper is really beautiful. The year, it's a 2022, because everything's fairly new in here. I love it. It's spectacular. If you want to come check it out, it's a 2022 Sierra Luxury, and that's exactly what it is. Yeah, guys, if you want to come and check it out, you will love it. And if you decide to buy it, just, buy it and don't think about it. It'll be worth all the money that you're spending on it if depending on what you're doing with it. I don't know if you would want to camp in this. I think it would be more better to live in this thing because it's literally like a little home on wheels, like a trailer basically. But yeah, guys, if you like this and you want me to do more videos like this, I will be glad to review stuff like this for you guys in the future. This is just one single review for you guys to see if you guys like this or not. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I love you, sub family, and I thank you for everything. God bless you guys.